Hey friends, this is Allie from Allie Scraps, and I'm here with a fun project using some of these free pocket letter prayer request cards and some Library of God cards. These are free, and I'll leave the link below. Just put in your email and you grab them. It's super easy, and there are coordinating larger ones of this in my shop right now. And these fit perfectly in trading card, baseball card page protectors. And so I'm going to do a page that uses some prayers, some bits from my friend Shauna Klingerman. So I printed this one out on clear sticker paper, and then some of these bits just on cardstock and regular paper. So I'm going to kind of decorate the prayer request with those and then stick it all in the trading card protector. So what I'm going to do is speed this up while I cut stuff out and then kind of lay it out, and I will come back and show you the finished product. So this is where I think I'm going to stop with this, and then I will go back in and fill in some of the prayers and the verses and things like that while I'm doing some of my daily study. But just give you an idea of what the back looks like. And of course, I'll probably decorate that more with some of the elements from Shauna's kit. I might have more printed out on clear sticker paper and more printed out on regular paper, and just really add to that as my study goes on. So I did do some, because I covered some of the prayer request spots just with little ephemera, just to kind of add visual interest, and I thought I would want more room to actually write prayers in. So I did little tabs that you can pull up, you can write, I can write on the back of here or the back of here with the prayers. And then the other side looks really nice, and that'll slide nicely back in there, maybe. But I just thought give that a little bit of visual interest, and then kind of start the front and the back so that it's ready when I want to sit down with my Bible and study. So I love doing like prep work like this, because then I can really not have to worry too much about the creative aspect when I'm actually studying my Bible. So then middle piece, I love this one. So I used some clear acetate from the Planner Society, I Am Loved, and then clear sticker paper printed heart on the back, just so there's not too much like on the back that detracts from, like, I don't want to be all like the white back side. And then I'll probably add a little bit more bits right there, but I haven't decided what yet. But I'm super excited to slide this into my 8.5 by 11 binder that I'm using for my Bible studies this year, and just kind of go from there. I did glue this on, and I'll probably write the verse on the back along with this one as well. But that's how I did it. I will leave links to everything I used in the description box below, but I can't wait to see how you are using these free cards. And if you do anything similar, please be sure to tag me at Allie Scraps, Allie_Scraps on Instagram. And oh, the other thing, I've seen these used a lot for pocket letters. So you would just kind of fold this up, and that fits in a standard size envelope, which is really fun. So you could do this even as, you know, like a letter for someone, or kind of do like swap projects. Someone can write prayers for you, that kind of thing. But yeah, I can't wait to see how you use it.